know many people are having trouble with connecting their Philips TAB5306 soundbar to their TV? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate HDMI ARC. Locate the HDMI ARC port on your TV. It's usually labeled as HDMI ARC. Step 2. Connect HDMI to TV. Connect one end of an HDMI cable into the HDMI ARC port on your TV. Step 3. Find soundbar HDMI ARC. Find the HDMI ARC port on the Philips TAB5306 soundbar, typically on the back. Step 4. Connect HDMI to soundbar. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the soundbar's HDMI ARC port. Step 5. Power on and select. Power on both the TV and soundbar. Use your TV remote to select HDMI ARC as the audio output. Step 6. Test the connection. Test the connection by playing audio or video on your TV. The sound should now come from the soundbar. You should now have your Philips TAB5306 soundbar successfully connected to your TV, enjoying enhanced audio quality. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.